The Toronto Stock Exchange Index, also called as TSX, has reached 20,000 points for the first time. Experts are saying this is one of the best bull runs ever in the Canadian stock market, where the Canadian benchmark index has increased by nearly 70% in a short period of time. This has happened in the backdrop of worst global pandemic in a century, where economy and jobs are in a very bad shape. So a common man is not able to wrap his head around what is going on in the stock market. In this video, I'm going to share my perspective about today's topic. TSX reached 20,000 points. Also, I will try to share some information about what is a TSX, it reaching 20,000 points milestone, possible reasons behind it, can you and me ride this bull run, etc., to just name a few. Hi, my name is Sunny and welcome to my channel SunnySnippets. Here I try to make videos that affect a common man financially. If you are new to this channel, please smash that like button as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm and it will be highly appreciated. Please feel free to write in the comment section after watching this video as it will help me improve my content and your feedback is very important to me. TSX is 8th largest stock exchange in the world, whereas it ranks 3rd largest in North America based on market cap. It was founded in 1878. From its humble beginnings by 1936, it has become the 3rd largest stock exchange in North America. As of 2019, there are over 1,500 different financial instruments with a combined market cap of about 3.2 trillion Canadian dollars listed on it. It is where Canada's big banks, insurance companies, along with all big and mighty in the business world are listed. This gives it a lot of business clout. In other words, you can say what happens on TSX affects Canadians directly or indirectly in the financial sense. The TSX index has gone past the psychological 20,000 points briefly for the first time, which is an increase of over 70% from its lows of March 2020, where all of a sudden the world had to face COVID-19 pandemic and the shutdowns as a result of that. In this rally, the TSX based stocks have increased the wealth of its shareholders by billions of dollars, whereas a common man is struggling financially as COVID 19 has affected them in a very harsh and unpredictable way. It is not that only this stock exchange has done well. As a matter of fact, it is ranked 21st best performer amongst the global indices, where the major US indexes like S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average has made a gain of over 85% in the same time frame. So it may be safe to say that this extraordinary growth in TSX is not an exception, but rather a sort of norm with all world's major indices. There are multiple reasons, and some of them are as follows. Number one, the TSX consists of major Canadian financials, big natural resource companies, and a handful of very promising emerging big tech players. As vaccinations are being done at a very rapid pace around the world, some even considering cautious opening up, resulting in sudden economic growth. The first thing everybody needs in such a case is basic materials and natural resources, which Canada has in abundance. It has resulted in the increase of the market cap of the related companies. This uptick in economic activity is good for Canada, which has made Canadian dollar stronger as compared to its big brother south of the border, the US dollar. Number two, the pandemic, alongside its restrictions, have changed the spending habits of people as people have gone online wherever it is possible to cater to their day to day needs, from shopping to online streaming, medical appointments, education, etc. This sudden online demand has created opportunities for many new and innovative technology companies, where their market cap has increased many folds, affecting the valuation of TSX index where they are listed. Number 3. The record low interest rates have increased the demand for houses. As a result, people are taking more financing from the banks to get their mortgages. This has led to more business and profits for the banks, thus increasing their market cap. With all the companies that comprises of TSX index appreciating in price at the same time, the index has touched an all-time high psychological level of 20,000 points in a very short period of time. I completely understand. It may be puzzling for some people whose life has gone upside down because of COVID and its restrictions, where they have lost their jobs and, in some extreme cases, their friends or relatives to COVID. From their point of view, it doesn't make any sense that they are struggling financially and health wise. How come some companies are making record profits where their share prices are at all time high? When people talk about how the stock market is doing in Canada, they often talk about the TSX index, which is a number at the end of the day. When this number goes up, people say the stock market is doing well. On the flip side, when it goes down, people feel sad about it. If you know the companies that make up this index, you will be in a better position to understand how and where you are invested in. The bulk of the weight in this index is commodities and financials. As you can see from this slide, these are the top 10 companies in Canada according to their market cap listed on the TSX. These are considered as the representation of the Canadian economy, which ranges from major banks to railway companies, asset management companies, oil pipelines, etc. Here, the biggest company by market cap listed on the TSX is neither a banking nor a natural resources stock. Rather, it's a new age technology company, Shopify, which has grown so big as consumer has shifted their spending online. Whether you are invested directly or indirectly in the Canadian stock market in your pension funds, the ups and downs of the TSX touches everybody's life knowingly or unknowingly. So you can take advantage of this stream of wealth creation if you can educate yourself on how to take advantage of stocks or index investing. I completely understand. This type of investing can be very intimidating for a person who has never done so earlier. Mostly, people are scared of market volatility. Rather than buying an individual stock, an alternate way can be investing in a broad TSX index, which is like buying a basket of different companies. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult one before investing, as I'm just a common Joe on YouTube making some random videos. This is my take on the topic TSX reached 20,000. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Please feel free to write in the comment section about the topic I have touched base on today, and I would urge you to write if you want me to make videos about any specific topic. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the next video on your own channel, SunnySnippets.